I haven't shrunk much with the torch, but I'm going to do this, and you guys can kind of see the learning curve. I may screw this up, or this may go well. So we're gonna find out how this goes. So, I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to hear me, but I'm pretty much treating this like a normal heat gun. I have a lot more heat to play with, and it honestly looks like I'm starting to over shrink it up here. I have stickers here too that I'm gonna be fighting against, so I don't know if that's gonna make it more difficult or not. Oh, right there. That might have been a bit too much. Or it might be okay. I do have stickers. Ooh. Ooh, that's no good. Oh. So, I got I don't know. I think that might be okay. I have a little bit more tension here than I'd like, but I think I can get that to lay down. Some of this is pulling up because this backglass is a little bit rough. I think I can get this to lay down. There's a little bit more tension than I'd like. Yeah, I think that'll be okay. This is a little tight right here. As I'm going with a heat gun, I can press it down as I go, but with a torch, I'm noticing I'm using my hand a lot more. So that's why I see people using a glove rather than their bare hand. But I think Rick just uses his bare hand too. So I'm noticing I'm going real fast like a heat gun. I just need to go real even with it. Buddy. Yeah. You can see it fighting back. It's coming back up. Almost like I'm using baby powder. There's a little bit of residue. So, you would have scraped this before you went and went to use a torch, right?
Yes.
Ah.
Then the driver sheet would be doing what the driver sheet does.
Yeah, because right now I'm fighting with it. And these lines up here, they're just gonna come back, so I wanna shrink here to relieve some tension. And also, it's just a little weird to get used to holding the torch instead of a heat gun. This side went a lot better. I'm more comfortable on this side with the torch right now. Okay. Here we go again. Well, this looks way better than the other side does. Yep, it's starting to pull back up a little bit there. I gotta switch gears. It's okay to go past this edge because I have a little bit of overlap, but yeah. This side I think is okay. The other side's a little bit funny, and I want to straighten out this right here. If I can. Yeah, I know. What do you think? Well, it's a little tight up there. It's much better on the other side. So, I mean, we can see how this goes. I would like this to be a lot more relaxed. And you can see between the two sides, actually. This is a good comparison. This is good. So, this is actually a real good illustration here. This is over shrink right here. This is real tight, and this is a lot looser. So you can see when you pull it up and lay it back down, it comes real even. And this, you can see these like stress lines almost. So if I were to pick this up and lay it back down, right in here, it just becomes a lot tighter, especially this line right here. It's tricky, so. This is not gonna be a 100% guarantee that this pattern will go in nice. Right here looks like it's actually not shrinking off right here. I saw some pop up, so I gotta flatten that out a little bit more. And then, I mean, because you got this third brake light here. Go ahead. It's just that easy.
I've been doing it for like 6 years.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the jib, and then we'll just have a nice top-down angle, and then you'll see me either fighting with it to get it installed and coming out on top, or we'll end up scrapping the whole thing.